Hi, Kari. Shannon Coward here at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. As you can see, we have so many Sonatas in our inventory, and that's just 25% of them. We've got much more in the back. I want to tell you the most important thing, though, about the Sonatas. That's the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. I'm your personal sales associate assigned just to you. I look forward to meeting with you, working with you very soon. We'll funnel down and find out exactly what you're looking for. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250, or my cell, 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. Thank you.